Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to print on Canva. So I'll open up this CV that I was actually working on, and it's very easy to print, okay? All you need to do first is go ahead and come here at the top right, and we need to click on share. So let's wait for these icons to go ahead and load up. All right, so we'll click on share. And then what I need you to do is click on a download. And here, I need you to change the file type to PDF print. Okay, this is the best for printing. And we can go ahead and save this. Okay, and download. So click on download. And as you can see, it is currently downloading this CV as a PDF. And now I'll show you how you can go ahead and print this. Right? So as soon as it's done, it will come up here. And I'll open it up in a new tab and I'll show you. So here we go. It has been downloaded. So open it up in a new tab. And to print this is very easy. You just click on print here, this icon. And then you go ahead and choose your printer. Okay. Choose whatever printer you have. Right. And once you have found your printer, go ahead and click on print here at the bottom. And it's really that easy and simple.